Yung anak ko na yan yung parang angel na nakita ko dito sa mundo. Napakabait, napaka-sweet, thoughtful. Actually, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos. Naging anak ko siya. Yan ang isa sa mga blessings na binigay sa akin ng Diyos na nagpapasalamat ako. At least naranasan ko sa buhay ko na magkaroon ako ng anak na sobrang proud. Happy birthday, anak. As I've told you before, time and time again, I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. Actually, kulang yung word na pagmamahal to describe how valuable you are to me.
My bones are shaking, my lungs vibrating, my body is ready.
Happy birthday,
now.
Seth.
My mind is healing the side.
Happy birthday, Seth! Welcome to the Legal Aid.
Happy birthday, Seth! Welcome to the life of ladyhood.
I don't really care what it's gonna cost. You can break me down and take me out, 'cause I don't really care. Go ahead and take it all.
Happy birthday, Seth!
Happy birthday, Cecilia!
Couldn't save. You can break me down and take me
Happy birthday, Ceci!
Happy birthday, Seth!
Happy birthday, Ate Seth!
We wish you the best!
Yung bunso naming anak na babae, si Alexa, dati yun pag umiiyak yun, ang tinatawag nun ate. Hindi mami, hindi papa. Ang hinahanap niya ate.
Till now, yung mga kapatid niya sa kanya talaga umaasa. Ate. Napaka-responsible na bata.
Feel it start to rise, start to rise.
Welcome and good luck sa college life. No matter what happens, I'll always be your ate Pupay that will always got your back.
I want that everything you dream of to come true and know that there are a lot of people, including me, who will cheer you on always.
Kahit saan ka man dali ng buhay, kahit gaano katagal man tayo hindi magkita, gusto kong malaman mo na may babalikan ka palagi sa akin.
I will forever cherish my memories with you. Cecilia, again, happy legality. I'm with you all.
And sana mahanap mo din yung type mo sa lalaki. Yun lang.
Seth, happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita. Kahit lagi tayo nag-aaway, lagi kita nasisigawan, tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita. And I'm so proud of you. Always.
I feel it, I feel it. I feel it, I feel it.
Mahal na mahal kita. Kung ano man ang bagay na pwede pang gawin ko, sabihin mo lang. Actually, kahit wag ka na magsabi, tapikin mo lang ako. I love you, and I will always love you.
Saya. Na-expect ko
skin.